Yes, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $24,000 yesterday. All I did was draw some lines. And guys, so many people gatekeep this information. I don't see no one on the internet, right? They make it complicated. They make this shit come to can sell your course. I ain't selling you nothing. I'm just building my brand and making content and helping people change their life just like I changed mine. Let's jump straight in. So, let's get it. All right, guys. So, first of all, let's start with the proof, guys. Like, if people can't show you the proof, they can't show you their assets, their cojones, their shamani, proof that they're actually about this life, don't listen to them. So much people that just talk. They talk, they flex, they don't show no results. All they say is buy my course. They don't show results. All they do is flex. And if they do show results, maybe it's from the course that are sold. But I'm going to show you results from actual freaking trades. Not a demo account as well. Look, just so you know, a demo account would say demo here. Okay, that's it. Let me just show my screen. That's it, peeps. We say where it says buy and sells, it would say a demo, and it says a demo. It would say a demo account above. All right. Let me just make the screen wider. But anyway, I digress. So let's jump into it. All right, cool. So yesterday, this trade, and I'm gonna go through the trades. I'm going through the setups. I'm teaching you everything on this YouTube channel. I could charge you $100 to learn, and I'm teaching you for free, baby. This trade, $14,000. Let's get it. Oh shit! This trade. Watch my last video. I actually was it this trade? No, the $10,000 one. That was live on the video. I'll put the video up here. Not here. At the end, I'll put it on the trailer. It'll be on this channel and on the other channel. Both my YouTube channels is in the description. But yeah, not this trade. But this trade here, I showed it live. I was actually excited. I was like, oh shit, $45,000. And then by the time I went to sell, it went down to like 10, but cool. We're at 10. What was it the last trade? Anyway, one of these we did on live. Anyway, let's take a sneak preview. Forget about now. That's flexing. Now let me get the flexing out of the way, baby. Now let's learn. Let's learn. Time to get to school. Let's go, because this can change your life, right? And this is what I want to do. I want to change as many people's lives as possible, and I want all your testimonies and all your good karma to me. Let's go. All right, cool. So 2 trades. One here, one here. All right, I missed this one because I was asleep. Very simple stuff. People overcomplicate it. And I will be putting like complicated stuff on, not complicated, sorry, but I will break down market structure, supply and demand, supply zones, FEGs, loads of different things that you need to learn on this YouTube. So watch all of them. But you still just need to understand just basics. The basics just can make you so much money. And look, here's the basics. Look at this. I didn't take this trade because I was asleep, but look, very simple stuff, guys. So simple, you're thinking this can't be true. You're lying. Okay, John. Okay, John. Okay, John. So, anyway, now we got that out of the way. It is as simple as it is, guys. Honestly, it is as simple as it is. People just overcomplicate trading. Please, not financial advice. Please have risk management. Please be sensible. But you know, it is more simple than these gurus overcomplicated to sell you some $10,000 $9,000 course. All right, simple. This, you as retail will call this a trend line. Smart money concepts, this is what I follow. This is why I'm profitable. I don't follow normal what retail does, because retail loses. 80-90% of retail loses to smart money. I follow the smart money concepts. This isn't a trend line. This is liquidity zones, okay? It's, the market makers are grabbing liquidity. And when they go, all this liquidity, guys, they have to break out, because where they want to go? To grab more liquidity here. Simple. Grab liquidity, bam, grab all liquidity here, done. They want to go to the next zone. Very simple. It's so obvious that take profits was here. Unfortunately, I was asleep on this one. But these two, I wasn't asleep. Very simple stuff. This is called a bull flag. But you don't even need to know, all these nerds, fuck it. nerds online, geeks trading, geeks tell you these 10 million words. You don't need none of that shit. This is a line. This is a line. This is market structure. This breaks out of market structure. This goes up. If this goes down, don't enter trade. If this goes up, it's going to find next levels. If this goes up, then back down below here, you exit. Simple shit. All right? That's exactly what I did. You can wait for the retest, right? To be very, very safe. Look, boom. Boom. Here. It will pop out. And to be honest with you, a lot of dumb money gets in here, right? Because they're like, John, we're going to the moon. Let's long. And then what do the markets do? Boom. Stomp you out, right? So you can wait for the retest to get in. Sometimes it might not give you that retest, but to be smart, to be like cautious, wait for that retest. You know, you can put it down to the 1 minute, wait for a retest. Boom. Very simple stuff. Get it. So simple. Draw the lines. Seen a structure. Draw the lines. Seen a structure. Draw the lines. Broke out that structure. Longed it. If it went down, I would have shorted it. Very simple stuff. Okay. Same here. This one was so easy and so textbook. This is a W pattern. Very simple pattern. W. All right. Here's where dumb money would have longed the market. Dumb money would have longed the market here. Okay. Boom. Smart money waited to get rid of dumb money. Excuse the dog. One sec. Smart money waits for dumb money to get liquidated, right? Because all dumb money would have put their stop losses here, right? Then I waited for now the trend to reverse, because you can see the trend was reversing because one, we had a big sell-off, all right? Two, it's a W, this is a bullish pattern, all right? Three, it tapped this twice, like that was a tap of resistance. That was a tap of resistance. This was a tap of resistance, right? The chance was very high probability. Remember, we traded on probabilities, okay? Is that it was gonna go. I got in. I didn't wait for the retest, but if you was gonna be more cautious, which is great. I just felt like it was going. Trust me, when you're trading for so long, you have understanding of the markets, but you have this intuition. I just knew it was gonna break out. Boom, broke out. But this is where you should have went back. Wait for the retest. Boom. And then what did we do? We went back up, took profits around about up here. Right, to be honest with you guys, straightforward, this was my targets. This was my targets. I generally knew that that's the next liquidity line that he's going to go to. But honestly, and I say this to my students, say this to everybody, guys, when you see profits, and that's the profits that you wanted, 10 bags, and you wanted that, you know, take the money. You know, take the money. If that's whatever you see fit, you take it, okay? Because anything can happen, right? Cool. So, link will be in the description to use blofin. I'll put a video at the end as well, how to actually use blofin to put your trades on, and how you can also, you know, do the same. Nothing's financial advice, right? Join my links in the bio. I'm going to put loads more tutorials in the description on my YouTube, my Instagram, my Telegram. Yeah, let's get it, peeps.